You know, it's been about a year now that Super Clean was introduced to me. And over this year, I've used it for many different things. From cleaning different things in the house, from the floor, kitchen counters, sinks, faucets, toilets, to cleaning engines, the grease off of engines, cleaning my grill, cleaning the radiator in my air conditioner so it could breathe better. Just many different things. And out of all of these different things I've used it for, not one of them has Super Clean not been able to do its job. It's always stepped up to bat when the time came. Now, just a couple days ago, I had the opportunity, I had some downtime, I guess I should say, where things were a little slow. So I took the opportunity and I washed my ATV. And I used the Super Clean tire and wheel cleaner on the wheels. And I was very impressed with it. I wanted to show you real quick what the tires look like before I washed them. And you can see the dirt and the grime. Pay special attention to the rim. Sure, you can tell that it's supposed to be shiny. You know, you can see the aluminum, but it doesn't have much of a pop. It doesn't really smack you in the face, you know what I mean? So I applied some Super Clean and used a brush and scrubbed the wheel and the rim, and then I used my hose and washed it off, and this is the results. What do you think? Pretty amazing, huh? I'll tell you, there was very little effort on my part. I actually took the brush around the wheel a couple times, went around the rim once, and onto the next tire. So I didn't spend a whole lot of time scrubbing the wheel. Most of the effort is done by Super Clean. It's just an amazing product. So what I would like to do today is offer a giveaway. If you're interested in trying Super Clean, I'm going to give away a 4-pack. We're going to do the original Super Clean, we're going to do the foaming Super Clean, we're going to do the tire and wheel Super Clean, and the aerosol. We're also going to throw in your choice of a ball cap. So if you're interested in giving Super Clean a try, go down in the video description, or go down in the video comments and leave a comment. You can say anything you want as long as you comment. And once you comment, you're entering into this giveaway. On July 1st, I will use software to go down through my comments and pick 5 winners. Those 5 winners will be contacted by email, and from there we'll get your address and you will get your products in your hat. So I'm very excited to bring this opportunity to everyone. I know a lot of my followers keep asking about the hats, so I look for a lot of them to be signing up. Also, maybe you're not interested in the giveaway, but you would like to try the Super Clean products. Down in the video description, there's links to each and every one. You can follow it right over to Amazon and order your product today. If you're a Prime member, you could have it as soon as 2 days, so that's pretty cool. Actually, Prime's picking up. They're down to like 1 day for some deliveries, so that's pretty handy. So Super Clean, folks, give it a try. Get down in the video, just comments, and leave your comments so you can get in on this. I'm telling you, you want to try Super Clean. You don't have to be a beekeeper. Just owning a house. I'm sure you keep things nice and tidy and like to keep things clean, right? You probably like to use little effort while doing so too, right? So Super Clean is what you need. Get down in the comments, leave that comment. Thanks for watching, folks.